Crystal clear nationwide calling for free and low international rates. Pay only monthly applicable taxes and fees. #1 rated home phone service for overall satisfaction and value by a leading consumer research publication. Pure Voice HD delivers superior voice quality for a consistently great calling experience. Includes nationwide calling, voicemail, caller ID, call waiting, 911 calling and text alerts. More features including the ability to block robocallers available when you upgrade to Ooma Premier phone service. Download the Ooma mobile app and take your Ooma service on the go. Easy install in minutes, works with your high-speed internet and any home phone. Ooma Telo also works with optional Ooma smart security sensors to monitor your home and contact you when activity is detected. Refer to the PDF attached below in technical specification for user manual. Top reviews from the United States. Pleasantly surprised, much better than expected. Great purchase. I like a landline in the house in that it's peace of mind in case of an emergency and convenient to not worry about making sure the mobile phones are constantly charged at home. However, our landline phone bill had increased so much and we just don't use it often, so it was a waste of $30 a month. I was researching other less expensive options and ran across Ooma Telo. After reading about it and the reviews, I decided to try it. I had nothing to lose in that if it didn't work it could be returned. Honestly, I wasn't expecting too much. Well, let me say it was a delight to be so pleasantly surprised with a purchase for a change. This Ooma Telo is honestly one of the best purchases I've made in a long time. The setup took a whole 10 minutes and the quality of the phone call is exceptional. No drag or delay, absolutely crystal clear. I sure wasn't expecting such an easy setup and such great call and voice reception and sound quality. Calls sound just as good and just as clear as our wired line. It's saving us $30 a month too, so this was an awesome deal. This was a great purchase, highly recommend. I am a very happy customer.